Today, I'm going to spin this wheel of genres twice and combine them into one song. You asked for it, so it's back. Circus from the future here to say we got some crazy combos coming up, so lock it! First up we got hyperpop mixed with Brazilian funk. This is going to be crazy. Let's start with some hyperpop chords. They use these really bright synths. Let's use splice to find a lead. Use the time knob to stretch it to the grid. Put it up an octave maybe. We need some vocals. Let's get a bass. Make some Brazilian funk drums. You know, the boom cha cha, boom cha, you know what I mean? Hey, 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 hey. I want a cowbell, bro. I want like a you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like a layer it with this stab thing. Obviously that sounds like shit if we put chroma on it. Some chords for the drop. Layer it. It's Brazilian funk, so we gotta chop these vocals. We gotta add this. Let's make a really bright lead. Layer it. Oh, I need it! You. Yeah, I'm looking at you. I can see that you're not subscribed. Look. What the hell? Look, I'm trying to beat a billion subs. I mean a million subs. I believe in us. So hit subscribe. Or I'll... Don't anger the alpha wolf. I actually apologize for saying that. Alright, next up we got... disco. R&B. There's no way this can be bad. Let's find some R&B chords. Let's grab some vocals.
You said that I don't deserve you. You said that I don't deserve you. I never wanted to hurt you.
I want a guitar. I'm gonna look for rare finds. This bass needs to be smooth as fuck. Let's layer it with a sub for some more low end.
You said that I don't deserve you. I never
New pattern for the build. I want a little plucky thing. Some Rhodes. Strings. All right, let's make some disco drums. Disco's basically just a house that your mum would like. Let's get some hats. I chop the chords up. I'm just going to bounce this and add effects after. The bass needs to be bouncy as fuck. I made this thing. It's not disco without a disco stab. This little riff thing. I made this lead. I'm going to bounce the drums without the kick for the build.
You said that I don't deserve you. I never wanted to hurt you, hurt you. Circus.
All right, let's do one more. Folk. Oh, this could go so bad. I'm making folk jerk. I've got to be the first person to ever say that. All right, if we're making folk, you got to start with a fiddle. All right, let's make some jerk drums. Clap on the third beat. The snare needs to be like. Pa, 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 pa. Let's change the velocity a bit. I'm going to go to note pan. Make these go left and right a little bit. Let me juice these drums up. I'm going for an SD Kid vibe. We gotta have these breath sounds. Little flute thing. Bass is gonna make or break this. Needs to slap, bro. Let me turn this boost knob up. Mute the fiddle at the end of every 16. You already know we need this. Okay. And we're done with the beat. Before I play it, if you want to try Splice, make sure you check out the link in the description. Let's go! Okay. 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 Okay.